Welcome, my dear students. An elementary school classroom in a slum by Stephen Spender. Multiple choice questions 11 to 20. Before starting the chapter, as usual, I wish to communicate with you something about the message of this poem. This poem appeals to the rulers, the law enforcing bodies, and the philanthropist represented by the governor, inspector, visitor to improve the condition of the children in the slums, which can be done through education. The poem ends on an optimistic note. This optimistic note has a message that there are solutions to this problem and a lot of these children can be improved. This poem raises concerns like sensitivity towards the underprivileged, equity, equality, awareness, philanthropy, optimism, determination, and the need to change the condition of these children. Actually, when it was written in 1964, it was an example of Spender's political voice. He expresses his ideological positions on government, economics, and education. The students in this classroom are malnourished, underprivileged, and the capitalistic government is supposed to supply equal opportunity for education, but the classroom in this slum offers little hope for change or progress. Spender names no nation or race. It appears to be a response to the global question concerning social injustice, which was an essential issue in the American civil rights movement of that time. So throughout the poem, the poet's tone changes from pensive to finally from frustration and then appeal. So hope you have understood something extra, and now it is time to start the multiple choice questions 11 to 20. Question number 11. What was the boy with rat's eyes trying to escape from? I repeat, what was the boy with rat's eyes trying to escape from? And the options are A. Bright light outside, B. Openness of the trees, C. Dim light of the class, and D. Children in the room. So you have to select the correct option, and I request you, if you have not opened your notebooks or pen, please note it down, write down the correct option so that at the end you can check your answers. Question number 12. What is tree room in the poem? Options are A. The room outside the school, B. The room on trees where squirrels play, or C. The room on trees where rats play, or D. The room on trees where pigeons play. So select the right answer. Question number 13. What do catacombs signify? This word catacomb is very important. So go for the dictionaries if you don't know. Otherwise, if you know, correct option is here only. A. Underground symmetry showing irrelevance of the underground symmetry showing irrelevance of the map hanging on the wall of the classroom, or B. Irrelevance of the classroom, C. Irrelevance of the school, and last one is irrelevance of the children. Question number 14. Why are the pictures and maps meaningless? The correct answers are, one will be correct, yes. A. They show beauty. B. They show hope. C. They show vastness, opposite to the world and needs of the children in the classroom. And D. All these are correct. Okay, so select the correct one. Question number 15. How can powerful people help the poor children? Options are A. By fighting with the government. B. By fighting with the powerful. C. By bridging gaps of the inequalities and injustice. And D. By fighting with the rich. Question number 16. What does the poem describe? The options are here. A. Elementary school classroom in a slum. B. Social setup. C. Different mindsets. And the last option is D. Beauty of the surroundings. Question number 17. What does the poet wish for the children of the slums? The options are A. He wished them to be happy and healthy. Option B is he wishes a good change for them. Option number C. He wants them to lead a healthy and happy life. And option D is all these. Now question number 18. Far, far from gusty waves, these children's faces like ruthless weeds, the hair torn round their pallor. What do these words express? And the options are A. Poor plight, plight means condition, status. So poor plight of the ground. B. Poor plight of the children's homes. C. Poor plight of teachers. And D. Poor plight of the slum children. And now it is time for the last two questions. Ready? Okay, question number 19. Why is the head of the tall girl weighed down? The options are A. By the burden of studies. B. By the burden of work. C. By the burden of the world. And D. All these means A, B, C. Okay. Now question number 20, the last question for today. What is the meaning of the paper seeming boy with rat's eyes? Now you have to find out which is the correct option. Option A. Rich people. B. Rich children. C. Powerful people and their influence. And the last option is D. Weak and malnourished boy. So these are the questions for today, 10 questions. And now the time for right answers. Be ready with your papers. Check it. The answers are yes. Question number 11, the correct option is C. Question number 12, B. Question number 13, A. Question number 14, D. Question number 15, C. Question number 16, A for apple, yes. 17, D. 18, again D. Question number 19, the correct option is C. And for the last question of today's, the correct option is D. 20, D. So thank you for watching. Keep studying. Though we have finished, but MCQ is very important this year. God bless you all. Thank you.